Hello, once again, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you on how you can connect QGIS and JOSM. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and on the comment section, let me know what you'd like to learn on the coming sessions. Have fun! Open a QGIS, you can add in the existing data or can use the online data. For our case, we're using the quick map service. You go and add in the base map, which will help you locate the area that you want to see. And I'm going to zoom into the area of interest. I am using the Open Standard OSM standard as my background layer. And I'm going to zoom into the area that I want. For your case, you can zoom into the area that you want to have your data, or you can use your data from the field that you have collected using the COBOL. And I'm going to download using the quick OSM. I'm going to download everything that is on the canvas. And there I go. I click on the run query. And then I have everything downloaded on my QGIS. You can zoom in, zoom out, and check, or anything that you want to do. Okay, and then you continue, and then after that you come here and click on the JOSM sign, and then you will find that your data has been imported in. Everything that we can do is go quickly, analyze the data, see what's mapped using the tags that you know and the filters. If you know how to work with the filters, you can see who has mapped what feature on a given time. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share on the section below. Thank you.